We've been driving around, singing songs way too loud because we wanna. Picking up all our friends, fill up the car till it bends because we wanna.
Nan, Babo Kabalem, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan of We're in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
Guys, if you can hear, no, nagtetest na yung band natin for the rehearsal. And nandito tayo ngayon, invited to the newest sports bar dito sa Angeles City.
So this is Conclave Sports BAR. So dito you could chill, relax, have your barkada time, at the same time yung KTV nila.
Actually, doon tayo kakain ngayon and I've heard ready na yung table natin. So samahan nyo kami, guys.
So tara, let's go!
Alright, so we're gonna go to the KTV room. Pansin nyo guys, nandun yung banda natin. That's the stage. Look at the place. Look at the place. Laki, di ba? Napakalaki, guys. Alright.
Target naman yan pag good time, pero we serve food din and we have bands at saka sports bar yun eh. Matigatang billiards, matigatang darts.
Business hours po, Ken, is mag-start na po 5 p.m. hanggang 12 a.m. midnight, Monday to Sunday.
We have two KTVs too, sir. So, capacity is 15 to 20 packs. Pwede lang po magkanta, sir. They can relax, chill.
For 6,000 pesos, consumable ito 4 hours. Diba? Unlimited video game, kay air condition.
We don't need nobody's attention, yeah, we just wanna dance on our own. We came to party.
So, before we get into the, meat of the details, why not introduce the food, brother?
Having a sports bar dito sa amin, syempre hindi mawawala yung food natin.
Yeah.
So meron tayo ditong crispy kare-kare, kaning mango salad, ensaladang pako, Cajun seafood, and yung kanilang dinakdakan.
So this one is the ensalada pako. Oh, yeah. You know what? Just to give you a trivia, yung nilagay nila dito, hindi siya vinaigrette. It's a special kind of syrup. This one's interesting.
Napakasarap nga yung kanilang ensalada.
Diba?
Nandun yung sweetness, nandun yung saltiness ng mga itlog. Same time, nandun yung freshness ng mga gulay.
Of course, the one that tastes next is yung kanilang Cajun, seafood Cajun.
Friends fill up the car till it bends because we wanna.
So aside from the, traditional Kapampangan sisig which is available here, siyempre nagsaserve din naman sila ng dinakdakan. For those who are looking for it, and most of the time, I think these are the, friends na Tagalog, na namimiss nila yung mga ganitong food na, wow, so creamy.
So dito sa Conclave, makita nyo naman na napakaganda ng lugar, napakalaki, meron silang mga band sa likod, pwede kayong manood ng band, makinig ng music, at the same time meron din silang bar dito for you to have chill, relaxing drinks. So tingnan natin. Wow!
Good job!
Karoon pong gana-ganang isang mag-enjoy po. Pumunta kayo po Kening Conclave Sports Bar. Located dyan po Kening Pulung Bulu, McArthur Hiway, Angeles City.
We're gonna stay up, have the time of our lives. The night is young, don't
That was fun, Mark. Grabe,
Yes.
nag-enjoy ako dito.
Nag-enjoy ako dito sa bagong sports bar dito sa Angeles City. So this is Conclave Sports Bar.
Yep, guys, hindi ka magsisisi dito because they are really good food, good place to hang out, and at the same time, very spacious area para po sa chill and hangout ninyo.
Yes, so at the same time, available din yung mga drinks nila
Yep.
and yung kanilang bands.
Alright, so there you have it, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hope to see you in the next video.
So that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.
Bye, guys.